Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you a beauty product review. This is going to be part one because I want to actually test the product out. So if you're interested in seeing this video, make sure you stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Let's hop into it. So I've been looking for some new skincare products because my plug at Arbonne is no longer working for Arbonne. And before you guys say, oh, I know somebody that is a Arbonne consultant, my plug would give me their discount. So unless they trying to give me their discount, it's a no. So anyway, I ordered some products that I seen online, Instagram. It's Black owned, woman owned company, and I support the reasoning behind the business and the company, and they're sustainable and trying to make, you know, recyclable packaging and different things like that. So there's a lot of great things about this company that I really like, along with what I saw, the results, and the CEO and how she talks so confidently about her products and things like that. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the Koko Rose Beauty products that I got in. This is going to be part one because I'm going to use these products for probably like a month or maybe at least 3 weeks. And I'm going to create a part two so you can see the results. So let's go ahead and go through what I got. Okay, that's what it looks like inside. We got the how-to, thank you, and a how-to. Oh, I love this. It has morning, what you should use, and then night, what the nightly routine is. So that's great. Okay, we got another thank you, fancy, love it. Okay, so I definitely know I got the cleanser. Let's find it. Hold on. I want to go in the order that I'm going to use it. So step one, let's go through the nightly routine first. So step one, we're going to use the cleanser. Step one, we're going to use the Good Karma cleanser. That's what this is. And one thing I like about, when I do research on companies usually before I buy them for products like skin products, because you know you don't want to mess your face up, because you don't want to be out in these streets looking correct. So one thing, I watched the owner did a live, and so it was like a 26-minute live, and I watched it, and she went through every product that I bought today. But anyway, I like that they have screw up and down, so it makes it easy to travel with these. So like, because I travel, especially with my dining experiences coming up, it's going to be easy to pack these because I literally just have to screw it back down and nothing's going to leak out. I love, love, love that, because most of my toiletry products I have to tape down with packaging tape and stuff like that. So I got the Good Karma cleanser. I got the, oh, that's a sample. That's cute. I got the clay mask. I got the Black Magic clay mask. That's what that is. And that's a use 2 to 4 times a week. I also got the baby face formula. And this, you can use the mask or the baby face formula. So what I'll probably do is I'll alternate. Like on days when I do the mask, I won't use this. In days that I don't do the mask, I'll probably use this. Again, the screw top, love. The VVS Supreme Cream. And this has diamonds in it, y'all. Diamonds, okay? So I got this one. And that goes on. You can either do this, or you can do the Rose Balm OG oil. So the Rose Balm OG oil, yep, is this one. So I guess what I'll do is I'll alternate with this one and the cream. So like, you know, whatever days I do, let's say the mask, I'll probably do this. And then the days when I don't do the mask and I do the baby face formula, I'll do the oil. But we'll see. I might change it up. But that's another alternate. And then the only other thing, so that's for the night routine. So for the morning routine, it says do the Good Karma cleanser. Then follow that up with the Soul Food Serum, which is this one. And then finish it off with the Rose Balm OG oil. So those are the 3 for the morning. They gave me a sample of their pumpkin spice mask. Look at that. Look at what it looks like inside. Pumpkin spice. So, and as we know, pumpkin is very good for you. So I'm excited to give this a try. So yeah, so we are gonna go ahead and get into the nightly routine and show you guys what it's giving and what it feels like. But oh, before we do that, I forgot, I wanted to do an evaluation of my face. So close up, and I am, full disclosure, I know kind of TMI probably, I am on my menstrual cycle. So I do have some hormonal outbreaks right now, which is kind of good. So we can kind of get like a before and after of like what's up with my skin. So I don't know, this light is giving, but I don't know if you guys can see that I have some a few dark spots in this region of my face and some breakouts. I have like a pimple here, one here. Can y'all see that? Okay. So we have some activity here, so we're going to be monitoring that. Got a little something right there, right here. And then on this side, we got some activity too. So we want to make sure that now that's not activity, that's a mole. But there are some breakouts happening here. So we're gonna look and monitor that. And then the forehead is pretty clear right now. It's not much action happening up here, which is great. Because usually I do have forehead pimples sometimes. But right now, we're good on that. Nothing on the nose area. Like I said, the chin's pretty good. It's mainly on the side. So we will be monitoring these two over the course of the next probably somewhere between 3 and 4 weeks. I'll do an update, but typically no less than 3 weeks because products take a little bit of time to adjust. And so if anything crazy happens between this first tryout and our next check-in, which is gonna be 3 to 4 weeks later, if something crazy happens in between it, I'm gonna definitely make sure I document it for you guys so you know. But yeah, I'm super excited. Black woman owned, small business company, skincare line. Like I said, the research that I did, the results that I seen look great. And I cannot wait to try them. So let's go ahead and get into the first try it out. All right, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm just going to dampen my face, and then I'm going to use the Good Karma cleanser, and I'm going to apply that to my face, and I'm just going to massage it in all over for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse that off with some warm water. After that, I'm going to follow it up with that Soul Food Serum, and a little bit goes a long way for the Soul Food Serum. once the soul food serum has set in your face and in your skin, you're going to follow that up with the Rose Balm OG oil. And I forgot to mention the other thing that sold me about this product was it's also vegan and cruelty free. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to clean our face with the Good Karma cleanser. You want to wet your face, dampen it, and then apply your Good Karma cleanser. After about 2 weeks of using the products, I decided that I wanted a slightly deeper cleaning. So I used one of these silicone exfoliating brushes. I just put a little bit of the Good Karma cleanser on it and then a little bit of water. And then I would go in circular motions on my skin. And I would use this particular exfoliating brush only once a week. All the other times when using the Good Karma cleanser, I would just do it how I'm doing it in the video, just using my hands, going in circular motions. So if you do want to like a deeper cleaning, like an exfoliating cleaning, then feel free to use like an exfoliating brush. Now this is the exfoliator. Baby face formula is what it's called, and it's their exfoliator. Now I know most exfoliators say to rinse them off, and like on the Good Karma cleanser, it does say on here for the instructions for this one, it says massage a small amount over dampened face and neck for 60 seconds, rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Now, baby, this one says suggested use. Apply to clean, damp face and neck. Use 2 to 3 times a week. May build up to more frequent uses as skin allows. It don't say nothing about rinsing it off, but it's an exfoliator. So, I mean, I assume you rinse it off. And the box has the same instructions. So... I'm not sure. Hold on. Here's a warning. For external use only. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appear. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. Okay, that's... Child, if y'all know what I'm supposed to do, if I'm supposed to rinse it off or keep it on, let me know. But to be on the safe side, I guess I'm gonna just rinse it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I've never heard of an exfoliator that you keep on your face. I'm not sure. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's coming out like a toner, actually. So maybe you don't rinse this off. Yeah, this is definitely giving toner vibes. I'll put it on a cotton pad. Like I do my toner. Okay, let's see. I've decided I'm not gonna rinse it off. It doesn't say to rinse it off. It's coming out like a toner. In terms of how thin and, you know, how the liquid is, it's really coming out more like a toner. So yeah, that's that. And then we're going to follow it up with the VVS Supreme Cream. Okay. And that's about it. All right, so that is it. I put the I used the 3 products that they recommended for the night routine. On this particular night, I used Good Karma cleanser with the baby face formula, which we discovered is more like a toner, even though on the box it says it exfoliates. And I used the VVS Supreme Cream. Now tomorrow night, because I'm going to alternate, I'm going to cleanse with the Good Karma cleanser. I'm going to apply the mask, and then I'm going to follow that up with the Rose Balm OG oil. So yeah. So there's one other product that I didn't show you guys yet in the kit, which is the Black Magic Clay mask. And so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over how well designed these bottles are for traveling. I just absolutely love them. And so that's what the mask looks like. You just apply it, let it set on your face to dry, a thin layer, for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you want to just rinse it off with some warm water. Okay, so at this point, I've probably been using the products for at least 3 weeks, maybe 4. As you can see, I still have some activity on both sides of my cheeks. Now, this side is looking a little clearer than the other side. I will say that I noticed more activity after I had a facial done. So I'm not sure if that, played a factor in me having more breakouts on my cheek area, but this is what the skin is giving. And on the forehead area, there's just a little bit of activity, but not very much. Part 2 coming soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.